Hey guys, welcome back. So it's time. It's time to clear off things about the Galaxy S9 once and for all. Samsung managed pretty good so far to avoid leaks of the Galaxy S9, but not today. It's here, it's the final retail box of the Galaxy S9. This box reveals a lot of specifications of the Galaxy S9. 5.8 inches display same as the Galaxy S8. Super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel camera with OIS. This is the biggest ever change in camera department after the Galaxy S7. And the holy freaking f1.5 aperture. No other OEM has such a bigger aperture in their cameras, so it's gonna improve the low light photography by a lot. The thing I don't understand is why is there another f2.4 aperture, since it's the regular Galaxy S9, as you can see it's 4GB version, and it don't have two cameras, so how can a single camera has two different kind of apertures? I don't understand it. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. Moving on to the holy moly super slow motion video recording. It's official. As I said, it's going to happen with the Galaxy S9, and here it is. 940 frames per second super slow motion video recording, just like the Sony phones. 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera. Stereo speakers finally tuned by one and only AKG. They are late to the party, but better late than never. IP68 dust and water resistance. Iris scanner with improved megapixel count. It's now bumped up from 2 megapixel to 3 megapixel. 64GB internal storage, 4GB of RAM, wireless charging, and again AKG tuned earphones. Rumors were that Galaxy S9 can pack Bluetooth AKG earphones, but the chances of that happening are looking slim now. We also have a leaked video of the Galaxy S9. This video was leaked on Weibo, and there's a pretty good chance that this could be the real Galaxy S9. This video is very dark and it's probably shot in VGA format, so we can't see much, but it's running on Android Oreo as it's the setting page and we can see the little profile thing on the top corner. This video matches all the previous Easter egg phones which Samsung placed here and there, but the only thing different from those phones is the earpiece grill. It's not as big and it puts me in a little position of doubt. So yeah guys, that's it for this one. Let me know in the comments which feature of the Galaxy S9 are you most excited about. Me, I think I'm most excited about the super slow motion video recording. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more Galaxy S9 updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.